Go.
Hi, my name is Luke Gross. I'm the owner of Owner Home Solutions Real Estate Company here in Cape Coral, and also part owner of Donnelly Home Builders, which is a residential home building company here in Cape Coral as well. And I'm sitting here with Russ McCluskey. He's the owner of Edison Mortgage, and recently, Donnelly Home Builders has become an approved builder to be able to promote a 3.5% down FHA construction loan that Russ's company provides to buyers. And it's a really great program because it only requires someone to have 3.5% down. The credit score doesn't need to be perfect. So instead of me always talking about the loan programs that we're offering, I wanted to bring in the lender himself and let him explain to you, the expert, about how this loan program works. It allows you to see some of the other side of who we're working with. It gives you a better, inside look on how this business works. So Russ, thanks for doing this video. And by the way, I'm sitting in Russ's house. This is his back patio. It's really nice out here.
Thank you.
All right, good. So tell me a little bit about how construction loans work, specifically the FHA construction loan, what somebody's credit score needs to look like, how much money are they going to have down, and just some basics that you would tell someone coming to you asking about this loan program.
Basically, with the FHA construction perm,
Yeah.
you're dealing with FHA guidelines, which are a lot less stringent than conventional guidelines. So people that thought they could not get approved for a construction perm loan because their credit wasn't good enough, they didn't have enough money down, whatever the situation might be, there's a possibility they can get approved for this when they didn't think they could. So 3.5% down is all you need, 3.5% of the purchase price.
Okay.
And then also your credit score needs to be a minimum of 620. So with a 620 score, you're not going to get a conventional construction perm loan. But with FHA, you can go as low as 620, 3.5% down, plus your closing costs. But once again, those closing costs can be taken care of by seller concessions, builder concessions, whatever way you want to look at it.
Right, and so that's a benefit to this relationship, is because when you come to us and you sit down with me and you tell me, I want to build a new house, and I think I can do it. My credit is a 620. I have enough money for 3.5% down, but maybe you don't have enough for closing costs. Let's give us an idea of how much. What is that? I mean, I know you can't tell someone exactly how much closing costs are going to be, but is there a general rule of thumb per se?
Everything on closing costs is based on a percentage of what the loan amount is.
Okay.
And the good thing about dealing with our company is we don't charge an origination fee. It's paid to us directly from the lender.
Is that something many
No, a lot of other lenders, you will have to pay your origination fee as part of your closing cost. Our lender pays us, so you don't have to pay us.
Okay.
Also, there's no underwriting fee. So bottom line is the closing costs that you're going to pay are bare minimum. It's based on your loan amount, and whatever you're looking at as far as the closing cost, you're looking at your title closing cost, your prepaids for your escrows, things like that. It's not going to be an exuberant amount of money.
Okay, and with that, if someone is having some trouble with down payments, closing costs, us as a builder, actually building the house for you, we can provide those things, right? There's no limitation really as to how much we can contribute to a buyer.
The limitation is 6%. So whatever
Okay.
you're looking at as the purchase price of the home, the limitation that you can contribute to that buyer is 6% of the purchase price.
Okay. So bottom line is, if you're looking to get a home and you don't think you have enough money, or you don't think your credit is good enough, there are a number of opportunities that we have to be able to provide you ways to be able to get into this house. So the best way to go about this is to reach out to us. At the end of this video, I'll have all sorts of ways for you to contact me. You'll have my email address, you'll have my phone number so you can reach me directly. You can send me a private message through Facebook, and also I'll have all of Russ McCluskey and Edison Mortgage's information at the end of this video, along with a link for you to go in and apply directly through your website to be able to actually apply for this
Correct.
construction.
Correct. The link is very simple. Takes about 10 minutes at the most to put your information in. Once I get that application, it comes to me by a secured email. I'll reach out to you and fill in all the blanks that weren't put in when you filled out that application, and we'll go over your scenario so I can help.
Okay, so some things I want to point out. Donnelly Home Builders, they build a affordable home that is more or less high end. I mean, a lot of the finishes inside of a Donnelly home construction is higher end. So, you're not going to find, you know, the countertops are granite, there's tile throughout, there's solid wood cabinets. You're going to find some, what would normally be upgrades with other builders are standard with Donnelly construction, and it's still affordable. It still fits within the FHA guideline, which again, what's the max on an FHA loan?
On an FHA loan right now in Lee County, it's $270,050. Hopefully, very shortly, that will go up.
Okay.
But right now, that's where you're looking at.
So fortunately for that is a significant amount of money, because many of the models that Donnelly Construction puts together fall under that dollar amount, depending on the cost of the lot. So that's a variable. But many of the construction models that Donnelly Construction has falls under that $270,000 and
$50.
Okay, $270,050. So it falls under that. So it's still 3.5% down, 620 credit score. It's a great opportunity. So again, I encourage you to reach out to us, ask questions. He's an easy guy to talk to. I mean, look at him. I mean, he speaks fluent mortgage, so there won't be anything regarding mortgages that he won't be able to answer. So I want to thank you for allowing me to come into your house.
Thank you, Luke.
Hanging out with a dog. It's again a nice view, but I just reach out to us, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.